India stands as one of the world's largest textile producers, with a rich legacy and modern infrastructure powering both domestic fashion and global exports. From Surat's synthetic fabric markets to Tirupur's global knitwear factories, each region specializes in unique materials, techniques, and garments. This video explores the top textile and clothing manufacturing hubs across India, including major wholesale markets, traditional handloom centers, and high-volume industrial zones. Whether it's Banarasi silk from Varanasi, home textiles from Panipat, or export-ready t-shirts from Tamil Nadu, India's textile landscape is as diverse as its culture. Join us for an in-depth look at the powerhouse regions fueling the fabric of India's fashion economy.